we connect our mobile phone to our house Wi-Fi window connector. And then you press the smart bell apps. You will see the doorbell is online now. So this is to confirm the doorbell is connected to your house Wi-Fi also. And then you can press the doorbell to view outside. Okay, if anyone press the doorbell button of the product, the app, the mobile phone's apps will directly light up and have a call alert and also a snake of the visitor.
Sorry, no answer. Please
Okay.
press doorbell later.
We try again. Okay, you can slide to answer. So now you can talk to the visitor. Hello, hello. You can directly talk to the visitor. If you want to talk to the visitor, just simply press the talk. Hello, hello. And then the visitor will hear the voice from you. And you can snap a picture, also take a video. And then you can unlock the lock if you have connect the electronic lock to the Wi-Fi doorbell. Okay, we hang up.
Hang up already. Welcome to visit again.
And if you want to change the ringtone of the doorbell, you can change here. Bell ring. Okay, have several ringtone. Maybe we'll choose this one. Okay. So every time the visitor press the doorbell, your ringtone will change.
Wait a moment, please.
Okay, we hang up. And this icon is for setting the doorbell product. The alarm setting, that means you can on or off
No answer. Please press
the
doorbell later.
motion detect. If you on the motion detect, every 5 seconds the detector will detect if someone in front of your door. It will send an alarm message to your mobile phone apps. And now we set it off. And you can press the admin setting. This setting allows you to add more mobile phones to connect to this doorbell. That means I connect, so I want to add my wife or my parents or my kids' handphone. You will use this setting. Press the add, and then you type the username for the new user. Maybe we'll type wife. Okay, so and then we set the password 1 2 3 4 and then confirm. At least 5 1 2 3 4 5 6 confirm. Username my wife.
Successful.
Okay, so you can ask the other user to add to connect to the doorbell, use the ID and the password.